Hey folks, welcome back. I'm pretty much excited to introduce my new E39 M5, and if you're already watching this video, you should be having some fair amount of idea what this car is all about. And for beginners, pretty much it's considered as a modern classic, probably with a timeless design. In this video, the main reason of this video is to probably go with or just to share my experience in my last 2 months of ownership. So without wasting any time, let's jump on to the details. So how long it actually took to get my car? It almost took like 2 years from my initial search of this particular one. The only reason is because again the number of listings which showed up on the various marketplaces were very less, and finally I got this one. I took it for a test drive. I really liked it, and it also did have other issues which I'll walk you through in the rest of the video. But overall it was in pretty good shape, especially the drivability part, and I like this color specifically, so I just took it in one fine day. Okay, so let me just go with all the upgrades that came with the car, especially considering this was a pre-facelift model. So it actually came with the upgraded steering wheel, and it also has this short shifter, and on the back this has the upgraded tail lights. So, and very importantly, it does have the muffler delete with the resonator intact. Yeah, I don't want the resonator to be lost, so the resonator is still there. It's just the muffler is gone. So now I'll go with all the upgrades that I have done so far in the last 2 months, and also some of the fixes. So first and foremost, I changed both the engine air filter and the cabin air filter. There are 2 of these on either side. And the next, also I did change the engine oil and the front disc pads, and the headlight adjusters, which are supposed somewhere over here, it actually broke, so I had to just remove the entire assembly. So I did adjust the BC coilover to a softer setting because hard was really hard for me, and softer setting is really nice. It handles exceptionally well, and you have to do it in all 4 edges. The front ones, as you see, it's pretty much easy, just directly you can just adjust it, but the rear ones you have to pretty much take over everything to get access to this panel. It's somewhere hidden on, and I did upgrade all the lights to LEDs. Oh yeah, that one I like it. And the car, I think there are a lot of scratches in the seat, so I have to polish this and bring it back to shape. It looks pretty good, at least to my knowledge. And here the rear door glass, I think the window regulator got broken off, so I had to remove this entire panel to actually replace with a newer one. And there are a few issues with the connectors over here, so I have to solder it to fix those parts. And finally, I have to do some kind of coding to customize some of the options to myself. So those are the only customization I've done. So overall, I'm pretty much happy about my entire purchase. Considering this is a pretty low mile car, only around 100k, and I also got a color which I really prefer. So how does it really drive? It's an absolute blast. There are really no words to express that. You have to just really feel it. So let's go over a couple of videos. I managed to just take it while driving. Still has this power, right? Response is awesome, I would say. Just punching, you get this. how this sound. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that, and I'll try to improvise the video quality in all of my future videos. So just to conclude, so pretty much what can you expect in a used E39 M5 like this? If you really kind of like the drivability, when you go for a test drive, you really like the drivability, I would say just go for it. There will be a lot of minor issues, and if you can actually do most of the DIYs by yourself, you can pretty much manage like how you actually saw over here. Otherwise, it's going to cost a fortune for sure. So I think that's pretty much about it. So let me know what do you guys think about in the comments below, and I will try to share more videos on this based on your request, or if I come across anything really interesting over here. And just to conclude, let me share some of my pretty good snaps I was able to capture on this. Okay, see you guys. Bye.